What's up, Chicagoland perch fishermen?
Got any today?
Yeah, got a few. Some nice ones, not quantity, but the quality's good.
Stop. How you doing?
Tamales?
See? How much are they?
18 la docena.
Either one.
What? 12?
No, I want 3 of them. 3 tamales.
3 tamales. 3 for 5?
3 for 5? Okay. Yeah, I'll take them. Yeah.
¿Cómo?
Yeah.
Va a sacar
Kind of hungry this morning. I forgot to get breakfast. Gotta respect the hustle. This is a walk-in. About 6:30 in the morning, probably about, I bet there's probably 50 cars already parked. Still some spots available. All those lights over there, fishermen already fishing. Stopped by, got me some tamales from the tamale guy on the way. Supposed to be a high of 52. The wind is mild. Hopefully we'll catch our limit of perch and we'll get home because it is Christmas.
Hey guys, this is me flying the drone from the west to the east in the 87th Street slip, located at Lakeshore Drive and 85th Place in Chicago. A lot of people ask how to get there. You can Google 8500 and Lakeshore Drive, Chicago. It's going to get you there. This is prior to the sunrise this morning, Christmas Eve. And I'm going to be flying the drone back towards the west, and the main road you're going to see here in a second is Lakeshore Drive. All those little lights, those are fishermen already fishing. And let me remind you, I got there at about 6:30. So that's Lakeshore Drive right there.
Hell yeah, I drove an hour to get here. I'm going home with my fish. Oh, feels like a hog. Oh, it's a hog. Double. Was a double. That's what I'm talking about. You want to catch big perch at 87th Street Slip? Rosie Red Minnows. Look what's in his mouth. Can you see it? They're producing larger than average perch per cast on the Rosie Red Minnow. Merry Christmas! Hey, Mike's single if you're looking. He got a big penchant too. Fish on. Oh. Feels like a good one. Baby perch. Micro perch.
I got one in my truck. I'll run back if I have to. Oh, I seen him right there. You can see him.
Oh, he's a monster.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
He's a monster.
Got a trout or something.
Can't see yet. About 6 feet down.
It's a whale. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Take your time. It's a big fish.
Got him.
Got him.
Sweet. Nice fish. Bet you wish you'd have got your bait at Slez's bait shop. Rosie Red Minnows, Lake Station, Indiana.
Rosie Red getting it done.
Oh, Rosie Red. Here's a picture of the limit that I took today, December 24th, 2021. Mostly caught on the Rosie Red Minnows I purchased from Slez's bait shop. After I finished, I decided to fly the drone around a little bit. There was about 300 people there. Thought I'd give everybody an idea. There's plenty of room. If you haven't fished down here, easy way to bring yourself down here and catch some perch to eat if that's what you'd like. There was some lake trout being caught today, as you've seen. All in all, it's been a really good season for perch at the 87th Street Slip. I've probably went about 10 times already.